The ratio of goats to sheep on a farm is 7 to 5. The farmer buys 4 more sheep, bringing the total number of animals to 40. What is the new ratio of goats to sheep after the new sheep arrive? Moving on to the solution, the ratio of goats to sheep is 7 to 5. The total number of ratio parts is 7 plus 5, which we can see is 12. The original number of animals is equal to the number of animals we currently have, which is 40, minus the number of sheep we've added. Consequently, we have 36 original animals. Each part is therefore equal to 36, the number of original animals, divided by 12, which is the total number of parts we had at the beginning of this calculation. And of course, 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3. The original number of goats is equal to the share it had, which was 7, multiplied by 3, which is the value of each share. And 7 times 3 is clearly 21. The original number of sheep is equal to the share it had, which was 5, multiplied by the value of each share, which you can see is 5 times 3 equal to 15. So the number of new sheep is equal to 15 plus the number of sheep we added. And of course, 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So the new ratio of goats to sheep is 21, which is the original number of goats, to 19, which is the new number of sheep we've just worked out. Now I can check this by adding the 21 to the 19 and see that it equals 40. And you can see that is represented here in the question as 40. So it's correct to say that the ratio is 21 to 19.